The history of Japan is a rich tapestry woven from ancient myths, feudal warfare, imperial ambition, and rapid modernization. The Japanese archipelago has been inhabited since the Paleolithic era, with the earliest recorded history dating back to roughly the 8th century when Japanese scribes began chronicling the mythological origins of the islands. According to legend, Japan was founded in 660 BCE by Emperor Jimmu, the great-grandson of the sun goddess Amaterasu. While the historical accuracy of this claim is debated, it underscores the long-standing intertwining of mythology and rulership in Japanese culture. The classical period of Japanese history began with the establishment of the Yamato state, around the 3rd century, which saw the centralization of power and the introduction of Buddhism from the Korean peninsula in the 6th century. The influence of Chinese culture, philosophy, and political systems became pronounced during the Asuka, 538 to 710, Nara, 710 to 794, and Heian, 794 to 1185, periods, leading to the creation of an imperial court and the flourishing of classical Japanese literature and arts. The feudal era, marked by samurai warriors and shogunates, began in earnest in the late 12th century with the Kamakura period, 1185 to 1333. This era saw the rise of powerful military dictators, known as shoguns, who ruled in the name of the emperor but wielded real political and military power. The ensuing centuries were characterized by intermittent warfare among rival clans, leading to the notable periods of the Muromachi, 1336 to 1573, Sengoku, 1467 to 1603, and Edo, 1603 to 1868. The Edo period brought about relative peace and stability under the Tokugawa shogunate, which enforced a strict class hierarchy and isolationist policies known as sakoku. This isolation ended abruptly with the arrival of Commodore Matthew Perry's black ships in 1853, leading to the Meiji Restoration in 1868. The emperor was restored to power, and Japan underwent an era of rapid industrialization and modernization, transforming into a formidable global power. The early 20th century saw Japan's imperial ambitions lead to conflicts such as the Russo-Japanese War, 1904 to 1905, and participation in World War I on the side of the Allies. However, the aggressive expansionism of the 1930s and Japan's role in World War II resulted in devastating consequences, including the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. Japan's post-war era was marked by reconstruction and economic growth, culminating in its status as one of the world's leading economies and technological innovators. Today, Japan is known for its unique blend of traditional culture and cutting-edge technology, with a history that continues to influence its global standing and cultural identity.